How to turn $100 to $1,000 quickly, 10 easy steps to follow. You wake up in the morning and find out that you need $1,000 to pay off the landlord so you can stay in your apartment and not get evicted. You have only 1 week to make that money, so what do you do? The easiest way to make that money quickly would be to go out and get a part-time job, but as you know, those are hard to come by, especially without experience, and experience usually requires having worked before. How do you go from $100 to $1,000 quickly? Here are 10 easy steps you can follow to help you get there. Do you need quick cash? Short-term financial emergencies are a reality for most of us. In fact, 76% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck and don't have enough savings for an unexpected expense. If you find yourself in need of money, you have a few options: job hunting, getting an advance on your paycheck, asking your employer for an advance, or using one of several personal finance tools such as payday loans and payday advances. These services can help tide you over when finances get tight. Step 1: Get a job. If you're looking for quick cash, a part-time job is probably your best bet. Many people don't know how they can generate extra income, but they almost always have at least one skill or hobby that could earn them some money. Step 2: Know where your niche is. If you don't know where your niche is, that doesn't mean you can't make money online. You just need to find it by using your keywords and long-tail searches. Once you do, start blogging on topics relevant to your audience and make a business out of it. It could be an affiliate site or even products for your own brand. The point is to build up enough authority so Google considers you an expert in your field. Step 3: Research before starting. Before you spend a single dollar, you need to spend time researching your product, industry, and any competition that may be out there. It's important to know what others in your industry are doing before devising your own game plan. For example, if you're going into business for yourself as a consultant or accountant, research how many people and businesses are in that field in your area, what their hourly rates are, and so on. Step 4: Learn how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways bloggers can make money online. It's also a great way for beginners with no background in online sales to get their feet wet without having to take out loans. Most online retailers offer affiliate programs, and before you sign up with any store, it's worth checking whether they have a referral program. If they do, you can use that link for even greater discounts on everything from books to suits. Step 5: Register with the affiliate networks. When you're first starting out, it's probably a good idea to sign up with an affiliate network. In fact, some affiliate programs will only let you register if you have a .com domain name. This is done for many reasons. First, they want to make sure that if you refer someone who signs up for an account and makes a purchase on their website, that you are credited for it. Step 6: Choose your niches. If you're hoping to make more than a few $100s in a month, you'll need to choose 2 to 3 niches and focus on them. The more specific your niche is, the better your results will be. For example, dog grooming is very broad, whereas designer dog accessories is a highly focused niche with strong potential for affiliate sales. Step 7: Promote your product or service in good faith. This can be a bit of a buzzkill, but you want to make sure that anyone who clicks on your ad knows exactly what they're clicking on. This means no bait-and-switch tactics, like an ad for something that's not actually for sale, or promoting one product when you intend to sell them another. Don't worry about being overly honest either. The FTC isn't out hunting for PPC gurus who say their tools can make you rich. Step 8: Monitor your affiliate accounts daily. Monitor your affiliate accounts daily to ensure that you are receiving all of your commissions. Check for commissions at least once per day, but preferably more often. It's best to check them throughout your day when you have time available so that you can take care of any problems immediately. If you don't receive a commission, ask about it as soon as possible, ideally within 24 hours, or it will likely be considered forfeited or forgotten on their end and no longer owed to you. Step 9: keep track of income and expenses daily, optional, but recommended step. For any kind of hustle to succeed, you need to be able to accurately track your revenue and expenses. If you don't keep track of it, it will be very difficult, if not impossible, for you down the road to determine if you are making money or losing money. This is a simple way you can make sure you get a handle on what your costs are and how much revenue comes in per day or week or month. Step 10. Money in bank. Most banks let you get a cash advance from your credit card, but if you're in a pinch and don't have time to wait for your deposit to clear, that can be an expensive way to bridge that gap. If you don't want or need cash in hand right away, consider moving that money over into a high-yield savings account with better terms. Feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more.